Last weekend, I visited my grandma, an eccentric woman with a flair for the dramatic and an unwavering love for her ancient typewriter. Every Sunday, she insists on typing letters to all her grandkids, claiming it's her way of staying connected. Intrigued by her dedication, I decided to peek over her shoulder. I noticed something odd. Every letter seemed to start with the exact same words. Curiosity piqued, I began reading more closely and realized they weren't just similar, they were identical. I confronted her, expecting a heartfelt explanation about tradition or nostalgia, but she simply chuckled. "Oh dear," she said, "I've mastered the art of copy and paste." Dumbfounded, I reminded her that typewriters don't have that function. With a mischievous grin, she pointed to a pile of carbon paper. "It's the analog way of getting ahead," she quipped. And that's how Grandma became the reigning queen of low-tech efficiency, while I became